There's an unwritten rule, Rule 0. Don't fuck with cats. Are you ready? The internet is boundless. There's the happy places, and then there's another part of the internet, the seedy underbelly. I was on Facebook one day,
and I found this video. I pressed play.
Why not taking your water? What is it? You having to drink it now?
It was the worst video I've ever seen.
He needs to be stopped immediately.
He could have been anywhere on North America. But then,
You hear some voices.
he was Russian.
Oh, maybe he's located in Russia.
Thousands of people looking to find this guy. There was a tidal wave of leads that were coming in.
I wasn't gonna stop until I found him.
Thousands of people looking to find this guy.
Video's not the end.
Something bad is about to happen. He's gonna kill somebody. All of a sudden, another video appears.
Great.
My mind doesn't want to believe it's true.
These are the things, the telltale sign of somebody that's going to become a serial killer.
We had a ticking time bomb on our hands.
Twisted story that keeps twisting.
What I'm seeing is impossible.
He's going to get the attention of the world.
Two mysterious packages.
Le dépeceur de Montréal.
An international manhunt.
This isn't the first time. It's not going to be the last time. This is going to get progressively worse.